Folks, today we're making these gorgeous black eyed peas. Black eyed peas are a tradition in Texas, and folks, it's a perfect recipe when you just want good old-fashioned black eyed peas. Today I'm going to be making some black eyed peas. Now, black eyed peas are an absolute favorite in Texas. We grow a lot, and it's popular at this time of year because people believe that black eyed peas are lucky at New Year's. So that's what I decided to do, was to turn out a recipe for New Year's on black eyed peas. Just give you my basic black eyed pea recipe. This is an easy dish to make. It makes a wonderful side dish, and while it's busy cooking, it frees up your hands to do a lot of other stuff in the kitchen. So let me get in the kitchen here and we'll show you how to make this. But before we do that, hey, let me mention to you again that I do have a website. It is satrotter.com. I sell my products there. So folks, if you would, take a look at my website. The Texas Cooking Today merchandise is going to be sold there, as well as the recipes. Now, this is one of these things that I had to really think on hard. Did I really want to sell my recipes? Well, here's how I see this. I do tutorials on every one of these recipes, which allows anybody to watch that and write down that recipe as we go. They're given all of the measurements on all of the ingredients and how to do it. So it's just a matter of taking some notes. If you would like one that's really nice, that's what I've put on my website. They come with a picture of what it's supposed to look like, the recipe itself, and most of my recipes have a little block at the bottom that allows you some space for personal notes, your own annotations. And I think any good recipe should have that. Mine are also designed to print out and with a 3-ring binder to build your own recipe book. Now let's get in the kitchen and make us some black eyed peas. Come on. As you can see, some very basic ingredients here, folks. Of course, the star of the dish are black eyed peas. If they look a little frosty, well, they are. I'm using frozen black eyed peas. You choose whatever you want to use. I just find the frozen ones to be very convenient for dishes like this. In addition, we're going to be using a pair of jalapenos, an onion, a bay leaf. This over here, folks, is a ham hock. I like to save ham hocks just for doing stuff like this. So I have my ham that I can have with my black eyed peas if I'd like, because I've already sliced it. I'm also going to spice it up a little bit with some salt and pepper and keeping it simple on that. So folks, there it is. Those are your ingredients for black eyed peas. Now folks, when it comes to prepping, I always do the prep work before I start cooking. Dice out your onion, dice out your jalapenos. I do recommend that you wear gloves when working with jalapenos so you don't get the capsaicin on your skin. And also, a spoon makes easy work of removing the core on these. So give it a try. Get all of that ready in a bowl and then we'll get it into cooking. Folks, I have everything prepped now. The onion has been cut up and placed in this pan. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to this, any kind of cooking oil you want. Put some heat on it. You want a medium-low heat. Cover it and just sweat the onion until it starts looking a little translucent. Then we add the rest of our ingredients. Well, the sweating is finished, so I have some onions ready to go here. I am going to be throwing in everything else with some water to top it. We'll worry about the salt and pepper at the end of cooking. You only need one of those bay leaves, okay? Now folks, today I used 1 pound of black eyed peas, 1 ham hock, 1 bay leaf, 1 medium-sized onion, 2 jalapenos, salt to taste on this. Now this is going to have some salt in it. Add what you need, and that's usually going to be a couple of teaspoons. On the black pepper, same way. A couple of teaspoons on the top end and you've got something really spicy. 1 teaspoon and you've got it nice and mild. But always add that at the end of the cooking. Folks, there it is. Black eyed peas. Let's take a look at these. My black eyed peas have been an hour and a half in the cooking. I have a beautiful pot here. I've already pulled out the ham hock. It's back over that way. I wanted to pull out some of these beautiful black-eyed peas and put right there with my tamales. And if you're wondering, oh, will that work together? Well, of course it will. They go together perfectly. Beautiful. Folks, that's the way you need to be doing them black-eyed peas. Good old black-eyed peas. I just love it when black-eyed peas come out perfect. Buttery soft. The flavors are they're just popping good. The onion, the jalapeno, all of it just works with it, and it produces this great tasting black-eyed pea. Folks, enjoy these. It's well worth it. If you would, please take a look at Texas Cooking Today, my channel. You're going to see a lot of videos there. There's a lot of recipes there. Hey, look at the episode number of this recipe, and you'll see what I mean. There's a lot of stuff available to you. As well as, if you would, please take a look at satrotter.com. That's my website, where you're going to get the Texas Cooking Today merchandise, recipes, and other goodies. Thank you very much for watching, and folks, please, you have a good day. Bye-bye. Ooh. Tamales and black-eyed peas. What a combo. Perfect.